Just talk to her for a minute.
Hi, sweetie. Do you recognize us? Hi.
Yeah, you comfy?
Oh my gosh, she's looking up at me.
Danielle went to go get your
You want to keep her warm.
Yep.
Hi, sweetie.
What was that? Danielle went to
Is
go
she
get your
choking or something?
Oh no, she's gonna cough and sputter, and you know that she's got to get all that fluid out of her lungs. That's normal.
She's like eating her hand.
Good. I think she must
So
have
we've been
nursed.
doing it for a while.
Sweetheart. So I have my hand on her tushy. It's so little. Hi, sweetie. Oh my God.
So what's her
She's
name?
looking at you, honey.
Danielle.
So what's her name?
Zoe.
You know me. I usually like to clean up after